Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new video. And first of all, I want to start the video thanking you guys for the major support on my last video. It's been a while since I've seen so many views and comments. I'm reading all of them, so thank you so much for your support. And yeah, welcome to the brand new video. Today we're in the NXTGP iRacing competition, the Mazda MX5 Cup. It's a really fun iRacing competition and we're currently 4th in the championship. Don't ask me how, I don't know. But there are around 30 drivers and I don't know how many will participate today. But as you might already have seen, we're here at the Hungaroring. I didn't really have the time to practice a lot. I was really busy and away from home, unfortunately, so not the best practice. So I think it's going to be hard to get a good result in. But nevertheless, of course, we're gonna try our best. And in a bit, I'll take you right to the qualifying. Without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, we're out early. I like that, to make maximum advantage of all the qualifying time. So for now, let's warm up the tires properly and get some good laps in. Damn. Oh my. Oh, this starts going to be really tricky with cold tires. Oh. No. I'm such a noob. Okay guys, if you didn't see that, we're now starting our qualifying. Oh my. Almost went again. Oh, holy cold tires. Damn. No. No off track. Oh my. We need to lock in because we're making too much mistakes, guys. Shit. Okay, now the trickiest corner of the circuit. Okay, nice. That went quite well. Okay, that was okay. I took it a little bit careful because I didn't want to get the track limit again. Okay guys, this is going very well. So what do we get? Let's see. 232. Wow, that's a PB. Let's go. A really good lap. Okay guys, one more car to grid. We're ready. I think we're really lucky with our qualifying pace because other guys behind me are faster, but we'll see how it goes.
Green, green, green. Car right, you're in the middle, 3 wide. Car right, 2 wide. Clear.
Yeah, I took it too easy there, but of course it's still lap 1 with cold tires, so...
Right side.
Whoa! Oh my... They braked really hard there, wow. Okay, so far so good. Gotta watch out with the off tracks, you're getting a little bit too much. Oh, Yuri sliding there. That was close, man. We're actually in a really good spot because we have slipstream of these guys. So I hope we can pull away a bit from the guys behind. Oh, they're battling. Oh, wow. Sending it. Nice overtake. Oh. I was looking too much at Yuri in front of me and he outbraked himself really bad. Then I outbraked myself as well. That's a shame. Now the guy behind is really close. We gotta watch our track limits. We're already not too happy with that. But it's a shame we had to defend from the car behind because now we're losing the connection to them. So I hope he understands.
Right side. Stay on the left.
No way he's going to make that.
Still
Right?
there, hold your line. Keep to the left. Clear.
No worries there because you can't overtake here and then that previous corner. Alright, let's get into our rhythm and try to get to this group. Let's wreck the slipstream because I don't want him to think he can outbrake us again and he's going for it.
Car right.
Once again, I purposely stay on the outside because then I have the inside for this corner and yeah, he basically can't do anything. You'll see he'll back out.
Stay on the left.
That's not going to work, buddy. It's just a really tricky corner where you need a lot of grip. So literally no possibility you can overtake there. It's costing us a lot of time, but they're battling up front, so that might grant us some possibilities. And the guy behind me is catching up, so that's a bit annoying. This is one of my weakest corners. I just can't get it right somehow. Alright, they're pulling away. I think this is going to be a really hard fight for P6.
Right side. Keep to the left. Clear. Car on your left.
Uh-oh.
Still there.
Now the rules are reversed.
In the middle. 3 wide. Clear. 2 wide. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. Clear. Car right. Stay on the left.
That was a really fun battle. Nice racing there from both. Good stuff. I actually don't understand how I still got him right on the outside of that corner. I just said it was impossible, but that was really nice. I think it's fair because I already said in the beginning he's slightly faster than me in race pace as well in previous races. So, but that doesn't mean it's over yet because we have slipstream now. So let's see what we can do, guys. Okay, guys, remember what I said? We're going to take slightly more risk now into the chicane. Okay, not really what I wanted, but I think it's okay. We're still quite close. Oh, I forgot he brakes earlier than me here. That mistake there's not good. Oh, it was the best I got this corner, finally. Yeah, now I made a mistake through this corner, now it's definitely over. Oh wow, that was amusing. Not that much happening, but we had some really nice battles though, and we stayed close to him. I think P7 was the maximum for now. Oh, GG's guys, wow, that was intense. GG's to Cus. I think in the beginning I defended really well, but at some point I just lost it. But you can see here, even with slipstream, the gap was all the time was the same. For the second race, there's a reverse grid. So we're, as you can see already on the standings, we're starting from P4. So we gotta try to take over the first 3 drivers ASAP because the guys behind us are faster and they are trying to take us over ASAP. So let's take a short 5 minutes break and be more aggressive in the first lap because I lost a lot of positions with braking way too early. So let's see what we can do, guys. Let's go. I'm excited. I literally was still red here because it was so intense. I refreshed a bit and now it's time for the second race starting from P4, guys. It's always tricky with a reverse grid because you just know that the drivers behind are faster than you and you need to get the guys in front ASAP. But I'm hoping for some chaos to occur because yeah, then we're basically might get a bit lucky with getting a better result. So I'm excited, guys. We have the inside as well.
Green, green, green.
Oh, ooh, oh my God. I didn't expect that. The lights are back suddenly. Oh my.
Car right. You're on the left. 3 wide.
Oh.
Right side. 2 wide.
Okay, I don't know why the lights are so weird. Probably because it's evening or something. But wow, that was scary.
The next car's the leader.
We actually went a bit too hard into that corner. Oh, mate, you can do that. Ah, okay, you can. He tried to bump drop speed, it's all good. You can just tell I'm much faster than the guys up front here. But it's just really hard to overtake. But yeah, now I just have to go for it. I rather don't do it here, but
Keep to the right.
he knows.
Clear on the left.
I hope it was clear. I'm not sure. I tried to avoid them at least, but... Okay, guys, we got some breathing space. From P4 to P2. But of course, the faster guys will start to catch up by now. So, I will still have cold tires, so let's be careful. We have Patrick Bors here leading the race. But we know that we are faster from the last race, so let's try to close the gap as soon as possible. I think we're already closing quite nicely.
The next car's the leader.
7/10 now. We're right at this bumper.
Car right. Stay on the left. Clear on the right. Car right.
Shit! I was looking too much in my mirror. Shit! That was so dumb. I was looking way too much in my mirror. And then I completely missed my braking point. That's crazy. Oh, guys, that was so dumb. That was so dumb. I should have let him go, but because he's faster. But I just wanted to fight for that P1. But yeah, I just unlucky. Nah, actually not really unlucky. Just really stupid from me. But yeah, let's try to pull away now because I will be really happy with a P5. And they're going to battle it out, so it might go wrong. But you can tell he's slowing them up because... Or slowing them down, not slowing them up. Because the guy behind is closing in and they're going really slow through corners because I can keep up with them and that shouldn't be possible. 6 off tracks in 6 minutes. Oh, this is going to be fun.
P2. Just set the fastest lap.
They finally got past them, that's actually good for me. But I have to overtake Patrick Bors as well, ASAP. Because we're much faster than him. But as you could see in the previous laps, if he keeps you up, then the guys behind can close in and they have your defense from them. But I'll let Yuri do the work. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm sorry, Yuri, but they are just braking so hard for that corner. I'm braking already early. I'm paying so much attention, but they just... Oh, man, are you kidding me, man? That's so annoying. I was already extremely careful, but it's so hard when someone in front of you is just so much slower and that you can just determine his braking point. I'm not meaning Yuri, but the other guy. Okay, well, guys, let's stay focused. Oh my god, that's crazy. Get him defending. We actually created some breathing space through the car behind. But now we're going to the chicane of hell, if you're here with 5 Mazdas within each other's bumper. I was more careful here now, but I got a feeling we're losing so much time through there. That's actually crazy.
It's going well. Keep at it.
Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. This is off topic mid-race, but who cares? I really like the fact that it's like slightly evening, so you see the lights. I was really confused at the start, but it's such a fun dynamic because I never raced like this. Okay, now let's lock in again. Oh, missing the corner. Nice. Lovely stuff. Oh. But then we gotta watch out with those off tracks because they're counting up. Oh. Already 12 off tracks. That's actually so bad. Okay, I'll try to race cleaner now because this is really bad. Oh shit. Oh shit. Close the door. Okay, it decides to stay behind for now, but that was really stupid. I'm too inconsistent, making too much mistakes. It's really dumb. Okay guys, now I'm going to lock in and try to get into my rhythm again. Oh, no track. Oh, no. Oh, wow, they're pushing it. That's going to be fun. Is he... Oh, we might be able to take advantage of this. And so far, we are safe from the guy behind. And he actually has, like, another guy right at his bumper. So that's perfect. So we can pull away a bit. Okay, I'm happy he decided to back out. I didn't want to attack, but he didn't really give me a choice. Because I actually was already around his inside, so I didn't really... not much I could do there. But we have 3 more minutes, guys. Let's try to keep the speed 2. Or P2, P5. Oh, it's going to be fun. He's got a lot of pressure, the green car, because Yuri is kind of closing in. Especially when he gets it really good together here. Come on, Yuri, get him. I know you're faster. Yeah, I went too slow through that corner, but that's fine. Damn. You can really tell he's pushing. That's crazy. Love to see it. No, he's not going for it yet. Maybe into this corner? Yeah. Yeah, brake leads. I think he got it. Oh, Yuri, no. Nice defense, though, from Patrick Borst, gotta say. GG, guys. I think the podium was there. Or was there. That sounds like I should easily get it, but that's definitely not the case. But I meant that there was a possibility to get a podium. But yeah, I think where it went wrong is that when Yuri, that's the orange car, attacked the green car, I should have been more sharp, more alert to overtake. Because I think I should have stayed behind there because I attacked there. I had a feeling that I got a lot of overspeed, but it wasn't that much after all. And I think if I stayed behind and maybe waited, that I could get him. I gotta watch it back and learn from it. But it was a really exciting race, guys. So I'm quite happy with P5. I think it's good. And there wasn't definitely more in it than P3. That would be really good. So P5 is definitely good. Maybe one of the most intense races I've ever raced, because we were so close each other's bumper all the time, 20 minutes long. And yeah, I think we made slightly too much like little mistakes, not big mistakes. Yeah, only like the big braking mistake, by the way, where I went wide because I was looking too much at the car next to me instead of the braking point, because I was so eager to try to lead the race just for a couple of laps. But unfortunately that didn't happen. I think I'm quite happy with my race pace, actually. I didn't expect it at all. Of course, we had like poor practice, but I'm still quite happy. Of course, we made too much little mistakes, and I'm really going to look into it because I want to keep on improving. I think I'll improve every video a bit or slightly bit, or I'll learn something at least. So that's really good. And if you made it to the end of this video, then thank you so much for sticking by and watching all the video. I really appreciate your support. Once again, guys, it means a lot to me. I'm really eager to train really hard for the next, and by the way, the final round of this league racing competition. Let's see if we can push there for more. And for now, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you guys into the next video. Ciao.